What's going on, guys? I know it's been a good amount of time since I've uploaded my last video. I've just been like super busy when it comes to schoolwork and making sure that I'm doing my best on tests and exams and whatnot. But we're currently 5 days out from my meet in Virginia. This full SBD day planned today. We have a couple singles at squat, bench, and deadlift, and then Wednesday we have another workout, which will be just a couple light singles on the squat and bench. And then that'll finish up the last of our workout, and then from then on, we'll leave for Virginia Thursday afternoon, stay overnight a couple days, and then compete Saturday morning. So I'll probably likely split this up into a couple videos. Just try to get everything for you guys so you guys can just kind of see everything from my point of view.
I'm not gonna lie, I farted.
No, nice to get a couple more shoes in. It's just like an assortment of like Jordan 1s. Couple 350s that came in. Dude's watching Alex's new video. No, but all I know is that Liam and fucking Alex drank all the Fairlife.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, they kind of like the first time Alex came in here, he was just kind of like, "Yeah, can you just do this? Like, get me this. Like, give me this." And he just like came over and just like grabbed my creatine and was like.
I remember.
Like, I didn't care, obviously.
I remember the first time he came here. Alex was like, "Yeah, can you make me rice like right now?"
Yeah.
I was like, "Oh." You're like, "Sure, I'll make you rice." Like, I guess. Like,
yeah.
I'm gonna have to request that bull on Venmo. I'm sick and tired. Bull drank 6 of our Gatorades.
I know.
Oh, dude.
Dude, he just kept like grabbing them, and I'm like.
Yeah, why didn't you say something? Cause I was laying in my room, like.
What am I supposed to say? No, you can't drink that.
Well, you're pretty much like a guest. Like, no, you're not a guest. You pretty much live here, so like, it's like your responsibility to tell them no, like.
No, Baldwin just came in, was grabbing the creatine, putting it in the Gatorade. He's like, "This is my apartment now."
Yeah, Alex came here and made himself at home real
How
quick.
did you even know that was up there?
Yeah,
He was like. Came up.
He knew the creatine was up there immediately.
I didn't even know it was up there.
I was like,
I forgot it was up there.
no. I was like,
I guess he made himself at home real fast, bro. Like, dude came here, started drinking our Dr. Pete's, our Fairlife, our Gatorade.
Alright, can we leave now?
Yeah, fuck it.
literally what happened.
Hey,
Do you have my chalk in your bag?
It's in one of our bags, that's all I know.
I'm not bringing my bag, so I want to.
It's fucking nice out.
Down if you're trying to be me. Fucking niggas bitch right on the
Fucking nice out.
Joe, you should make yourself a brand.
Yeah, I think you should. Dude, you gotta be absolutely kidding me. What happened? Alright, so we're at the gym. Got the new Power Bill crew neck. Code, I think it's V's10, 10% off. Get that shit. Travis one's out. Steady stunting on him. We got calibrated kilos. I got these off of Rosary Stock a couple weeks ago. So we've been training on these, just get used to competition standards going into my meet prep, or going through my meet prep. And we're gonna wait for the squat rack, and then we're gonna get straight to it. The weapon of choice, as always, code Weez. I'm a gang banging, chain swinging, nigga, tired with nigga, not his lifestyle. Nigga, bad back, I'm finna put a party back. Got that bottle with the dick.
you little bitch don't play with myself. I ain't even fucking around with no stylist. I got too much shit. You know you too much, bitch. You got too much shit.
Automatic, in the trunk. Shoot the maggots with the palm. Got it, put a paddock on my arm. Got static, pussy nigga, where you charm. Ghost and killers, drug dealers. Niggas snitching up there. I'm about to teach you to go up your bitch shit, stop trying to take off my top. My brother just ran up the lot, had to go cop a phone to the drum at the top. I got I put a drum on the block, it's a whole 100 shots. Niggas went for whole time, they be telling it, call bitch, know that my pistol be clapping, run up your nigga like that. Bitch, I'm a savage, I ain't never ran from shit. Bitch, I be letting them have it. Know what I'm fuck with them at? You should've known the bag. Niggas all little nigga, I ain't blowing up, you niggas money. I ain't gotta keep 100 pounds. Ain't no pain like the name with no money. Going outside for I'ma listen with the last hole. Some of these bitches off the bad boy. Bitch, she fuck with the cash. He don't got a landlord. She's laying on the landlord. All these niggas they be paying for. Pop a bitch, I do shake when you going. Walk you down, look my chopper, kick your feet. Chopper, bitch, the chopper told me I'ma just keep you watching, talking to me. Chopper have a blunt walking on the scene. Chopper have a blunt popping out the jeans. When you niggas look talking, y'all scream. I'm 55 seconds, but I'm 17. She hard with that chopper, thing is me. I'm insane, so insane. Come on! It's a cold summer. It's like tripping in your home, you live in a storm. And this is for that people, they put it all through. And you just want to make it all right. People ain't finna get up. We all hanging with it, look at that. Get your tags on. I'm a killer, well, you a tag on. You don't want to smoke that. Bitches, I can't trip, bro.
Lightweight, big dog, lightweight.
I just put it on, couldn't take it. Now she blowing on my phone and hoes so crazy. Hey, so flip on me, kid, we can make. I'm seasoned with this shit. Creative, I can catch it. Shit on that bitch. Sound bitch. Rockin' fair, got a deal on you.
In all honesty, squats moved like absolute shit. Like 635 felt heavier than my 655 that I took last week, but I mean, it is what it is. We have a lot of fatigue built up, so I'm kind of expecting to feel this way 5 days out. So, moving on to bench now. We have a single and then a couple back downs, and then we're gonna have deadlift.
I pull up, give a deep in the night. I'm trying to fuck with the inside. We can't fuck on my six if they white. I'm living like 30 hours and grind out at the night. Yeah, we took the deadline. Coming back and forth, I'm not in line. And they chopper coming like a drumline. Catch you down, man. Pass it out. First off,
looking for the odds, baby. I grew around drugs, violent. I'm just a real minute. So we come rush on. I ain't been thinking about bringing this diamond in.
Let's go! Come on. Clean it up. Come on. Good, better.
There we go.
She's always a dropout. Something I forgot now. I was thinking about the book that put my guap out. So some brain jobs, you used to get knocked out. So brain, y'all, all you see is blocked out. So bitch.
Alright, finished up the rest of the workout. Gotta get the hell out of here, I'm fucking starving, so we gotta go eat. Alright, so back from the gym, just settling in for the night. We're gonna eat this quesadilla, then go the fuck to sleep. I'll probably be vlogging the next couple days, like going into my meet. So I have squats and bench Wednesday, and then we leave Thursday, and then we compete Saturday morning. So I'll probably record all that for you guys. And until then,